Hey guys, welcome back. I'm out here in the Shawnee today, and I got to do a special video for you. This is probably the most important video I have ever made. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're doing is I'm just hiking on this trail, but the focus of this video is because of a question that I get quite often. And the question is, what do you do when you have to go to the bathroom? Well, today we're going to show you. Okay, so today we're going to show you how to do number 2 in the woods. Now, we're not going to do number 2. We're just going to show you how you would go about it, okay? So here's the pointers. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, you see it's pretty open right here, okay? The first thing you're going to do is find your spot, right? And what you want is a spot that's got good cover, okay? So we'll flip you around, we'll show you. Okay, so it's pretty open out in that direction. But around on this side of the trail, it's not so open, right? So one thing, for starters, you don't ever go right off the trail, okay? So you wouldn't pick that tree or that tree because it's too close to the trail. And nobody wants to be hiking through here and see what you've left on the ground. So the first thing you're going to do is get off the trail, and it gets thicker over in there. So we're going to go over there and find us a thick wood, a spot with cover. Okay, so you can see we found us a spot with pretty good cover. It gets open down there, but that's a good ways away. All right, so we're pretty well covered. Now, the next thing I want to point out is watch out for streams, okay? So if you're down at the bottom of the hill, I'm guessing down there at the bottom of the hill, there's going to be a stream. You don't want to go near a water source because some people will filter their water and drink that, and that's a no-no. Okay, so what you want to do, usually this way's uphill. We're right in the middle of the hill, okay? Not at the bottom, not at the top. If you're at the top, you're more likely to be seen. So right in the middle is a good spot. So we've picked this spot. We got good cover. And here's a nice big tree. And one way of doing it is people will put their back against the tree. I'll just show you. Okay, so a lot of people will put their back against the tree like this. And that'll work, but that's not how I do it. So I've got a lot of experience at this, and I don't mind doing this at all. And here's how I do it. I don't use that method, I use this method. I hold a tree like this, okay? I'm nice and comfortable. I don't have much strain on my legs. I can relax. My behind's lower than my knees. Everything comes out really easy. So that's how you do it. Now, one thing to remember before you ever leave the house, and I wish everybody had a grandpa like I did, but you don't leave the house without a paper towel in your pocket, okay? This is essential. You never know when you're going to need this, okay? So always have a paper towel. And then after you're done with it, here's the thing. Don't just leave it laying there. Take and clear your spot before you ever start. Okay, now before you start, what you're going to do is you're going to clear out a spot on the ground. Okay? Like that. I wish the camera would pick it up. Okay. So you cleared you out a spot, okay? You're going to hold on to your tree. You're going to make your deposit, okay? And then you're going to cover it back up. Just like that. Okay? That's how you go number 2 in the woods. That's your how-to number 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't let it stop you from getting out here and enjoying the wilderness. There's all kinds of things to see. I know a lot of people don't like to do it, but it's really not that hard. It's nothing to be afraid of and nothing to be ashamed of. We all do it, right? So if you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button. Come back and watch all of our videos. We'd love to have you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.